welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something wild, the official reveal of the 2026 Dodge Demon. And yeah, it's not just muscle, it's hybrid muscle. Dodge is back at it, pushing the limits, and this time, they've added electricity to the fire. The Demon is back and meaner than ever. Let's talk performance first, because that's what really matters. The 2026 Demon combines a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six engine with a high-output electric motor. That setup cranks out a monstrous 909 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. This isn't your average hybrid, it's got launch assist tech that delivers instant torque, and it hits 0 to 60 in just 1.9 seconds. That's supercar speed, in a muscle car body. Design-wise, Dodge kept the Demon's aggressive DNA but gave it a futuristic edge. It's wider, lower, and more aerodynamic than ever. The front end is all business with a mean grille and sharp LED lights, and there's an active rear spoiler that adjusts in real time to keep things planted at high speeds. Inside, you've got Alcantara sport seats, red contrast stitching, and a fully digital cockpit that mixes old-school muscle vibes with cutting-edge tech. You'll still find that iconic Demon badge front and center, because yeah, they know what we're here for. But what really sets this Demon apart? 3 words. Hybrid without compromise. This isn't about saving gas, it's about adding even more performance. There's a special, Hell Charge, mode that gives you a temporary horsepower boost for insane acceleration runs, perfect for the drag strip. And it's part of Dodge's E-Muscle lineup, meaning it's all about power, not Prius. Tech features are next level too. You're looking at a massive 12.5-inch touchscreen with Dodge's latest performance telemetry system. There's an augmented reality heads-up display, adaptive suspension, customizable drive modes, including a drift mode, because why not, and full launch control. This car is basically a street-legal track machine. So, what do you think? Is this the future of American muscle? Because from where we're sitting, Dodge just redefined what a hybrid can be, and it sounds and looks insane doing it. Hit the comments and tell us, would you go electric if it came with 900 plus horsepower? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon for more next-gen car reveals. This is your channel name, and we'll catch you in the